Hey guys, I get a lot of questions about how we paid off $120,000 in debt in 12 months time. So I'm going to give you the 3 things that were most key to making that happen. The first thing was to cut spending. We did this by creating a budget and making sure that we were telling our money where to go every month. It is crazy how much money you spend without really realizing it. A quick stop at McDonald's, a quick stop at Starbucks, and before you know it, you spent $100 on junk food. The second thing was we increased our income. And this is where this channel comes into play because I teach you all types of passive income, but we started multiple streams of income to increase our inflow so that we would have something to pay off the debt. And the third thing that we did was we aligned our debts on a list on an Excel spreadsheet, and we literally paid them off smallest to biggest. And so in 12 months, we were able to pay off $120,000 in debt. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more. Hit that notification button if you haven't already.